Hi, this is PrintFix ID. Today, I'll show you how to fix the blinking power light issue on the Epson EcoTank L5190 or similar models. If you're seeing a message on the printer screen that says Error E11, the printer's ink pad is at the end of its life, and it suggests contacting official Epson support. Don't worry. To fix this problem, you simply need to reset the wasting counter back to 0 using a reliable resetter software. Before starting the reset process, turn on your printer and connect it to your PC or laptop using a USB cable. Next, make sure the Epson L5190 driver is properly installed, not just the default Windows driver. To check this, go to the Windows search menu and type Control Panel. Then click on View Devices and Printers. Go ahead and select Printers and Scanners. Click on your Epson L5190 and select Printing Preferences. If the correct driver is installed, you should see 3 tabs: Main, More Options, and Maintenance. If you don't see these tabs, it means the proper driver is not installed yet. You can check my other video for a step-by-step guide on how to install it. Now, there are many software tools available to reset the wasting counter. However, due to operating system security, most of them are difficult to download. In many cases, you're required to disable your antivirus before downloading them, which can be inconvenient and risky for some users. So, if you decide to reset the wasting counter yourself at home, make sure you use a truly trusted software. This is one program that I personally trust, and it has been used by printer technicians in many countries for several years. You might be surprised how easy it is to use. The website is called inkchip.net, and you can find the link in the description of this video. Open your browser and go to inkchip.net. I'll be using this tool to reset my waste ink counter. The interface is very intuitive, and the reset process is quite simple. Before purchasing, it's a good idea to first check whether the software supports your Epson printer and test it to make sure it works on your computer. To check compatibility, click on the WIC menu. Scroll down and find your printer model. In my case, it's the Epson L5190. To test if it works on your PC, scroll back up, select your preferred language, and the software will download automatically. By the way, this software only works on Windows, not on Mac. After downloading, simply double-click to install it. If you have any issues during installation or usage, you can find their contact information in this section. Let me show you whether this software is detected by antivirus or Windows Defender. As you can see, it installs smoothly without any issues. Once the installation is complete, you will see several desktop icons. Choose one based on your preferred language, double-click it, and the software will open. Select Waste Ink Counters, then choose your Epson printer here. Click Read Waste Ink Counters to check whether your printer has reached the limit. As you can see, it has reached 100%, which means the printer needs to be reset. Now close this pop-up. Then go to Reset Waste Ink Counter. You will be asked to enter a key to continue. Go back to their website and you'll find several pricing options based on the number of keys. Click the Buy button, proceed with the payment, and don't forget to enter your email and phone number. Once the payment is completed, check your inbox immediately because the key will be sent there. Copy the key you received, open Reset Waste Ink Counter again, and paste the key. Click OK to start the reset process. After the reset is completed, you will be asked to restart the printer. Turn it back on, and you'll see that the blinking light is gone. This means your printer is ready to use again. To confirm, you can reopen the inkchip software, then click Read Waste Ink Counters. You'll see that all counter values are now back to 0. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and happy printing.